Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everybody, looking at oil on the daily and weekly time frame, and the bulls are in full control. We have seen those higher lows established and holding the past 5 days. Turning $50 into support was the go sign for the bulls, and now we're looking at the highs of the past 3 months, and we're looking at 50.92 resistance, which I will point out on the weekly time frame. Keep an eye on the RSI. Look at how many times we get rejected from the low $70 range. Doesn't stay above $70 long. So we're at 68.47, approaching that level. Might be time to be looking to take a little profit, perhaps reloading on a dip, depending on your trade strategy. But the weekly chart, there's that key resistance, 50.92. That was the high of the last bounce attempt, and until we break 50.92, this is just another lower high in this downtrend. So very key resistance likely to be tested this day, or this week, and we will see if the bulls are able to power through it and potentially start changing this trend long term if we can start setting higher lows and higher highs. 55.01 is key 100-day moving average resistance, and I will be looking at resistance of 53.50 if we get above 50.92. So there is some nice upside room for the bulls if 50.92 breaks. The weekly chart is negating this bearish reversal candlestick from last week. RSI is up at 65, so still some room to the upside, and we haven't even tested the 10-day moving average support since back at the beginning of April. So bulls in full control of oil. We've been watching it on the hourly chart, and let's look at that hourly chart. There's that uptrend line, very strong, and I will be using this uptrend line to get a gauge of the strength, and if it breaks, perhaps a little short-term day trade in WTI, bearish on oil. But again, any bearish trades on oil need to be short-term because that is playing against the trend currently, and as you know, the trend is your friend. So bulls in control. We'll see if the RSI tops out at 70 again. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. See you then.
Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.